first gear again, rolling first gear this time. Revs of how the car sounds like. It sounds like an absolute unit. Betty, I know you don't take 91, but we're gonna give it a shot. We need all the boost we can need. So I have a little bit under a half a tank, and the instructions on is to pour the entire bottle into the tank, then fill with any gasoline grade. So, you know what? We're just gonna send it. We're gonna put the full bottle in because I'm trying to make big boost. This may even make it worse because you have to tune it with this kind of stuff, but I can honestly care less because I tune the car. So we're gonna go ahead and put the full bottle in and see how the engine reacts. Drink up, Betty, drink up. As mentioned previously, I actually tuned this. There's like 2 screws with these types of motors, one for air to fuel ratio, and then the other is idle. I mean, I think it's okay. I'm just basing it off how much the engine shakes and how it sounds. It sounds okay. It's not shaking a lot, so hopefully we're good, but I'm just trying to push as much power I can out of this motor. I'm gonna guess about 150 wheel horsepower. That's my guess. 150 wheel horsepower. Comment down below what you think she's gonna make. So the 1969 302 V8 5.0 liter comes out with about 210 crank horsepower. To the wheels, I'm gonna guess around 120 to 150 horsepower currently right now, just because of the age and the mileage of it. So I'm guessing about 120, and I'm gonna guess around 120 to 150, anywhere around there. Comment down below what you guys think Betty's gonna go ahead and make. I did do the octane booster, did fresh oil. We'll just have to see how she does, but yeah, definitely want to see how much she's making right out of the box. Nothing has been done to her except for long tubes, so we'll see how it is. I also want to say that this complete motor is stock, has a new carburetor. The only thing that I swapped out is the open headers. Everything else I believe is completely stock. So we're gonna see exactly how old this 50-year-old engine can make. So hopefully she does all right. Here she goes, Betty on the dyno. We'll see what number she makes. Let her rip, Betty. Let it rip. still alive. Let's go, baby. Oh yeah, exactly what we wanted. Exactly what we wanted. 142, that's good. 144 horsepower and 224 foot-pounds of torque. Here is the graph. You could see it hit it. The torque just hits right off as soon as you lay it down, and then you can see the horsepower rise. It's a pretty steady graph. I'm very happy with it. It looks pretty good. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments, but these are the exact numbers that I really wanted to push for. The 150, around 150, and then about the 220 foot-pounds of torque. Betty did exactly what we expected from her. She did more than actually what we did. 50 years old, 180,000 miles. All we have done is exhaust, and she comes out with these numbers. I'm pretty impressed with her. I think it's time for a big fat cam, not a fat cam, but pretty mild one. I'm still looking into that, still deciding if I want to cam it before I rebuild it, because as I mentioned previously, the reason why I'm not stripping down Betty and completely building her from the bottom up, which is my preference, is because Miley's down in this in my daily driver. So I don't know if I should do the cam now. It should be a pretty simple job, or if I should just wait by doing the 351 Windsor build, which is what I'm kind of wanting to lean more towards, but putting a cam on this 302 would be pretty sick. But comment down below what you guys think. If you guys want boost, let me know down below. If you guys want a 3-valve swap, a Coyote swap, an LS swap, a lot of you guys get mad with the LS swap, but I don't know if I want to make this a powerhouse. We already have Miley, we already have Sally, just so much more. I kind of just want to have this little cruiser. I'm pretty happy with the numbers, exactly what I wanted from it, and again, I can't complain. This car has come a long way, and I can't wait to show you guys the journey on here. Tell me down below what you guys want to see besides paint, because I already know that you guys want to see paint. Comment down below. I am going to finish the exhaust this week as well. More updates to come on Miley, but everything should be pretty good from here on out. Again, this is the 302 motor from Betty. That is how she performed, and I can't wait to start building her so I can show you guys the end results. So 144 horsepower, 224 foot-pounds of torque. Great start. Now let's start the building. Comment down below, like, subscribe while you're at it. I appreciate the support so much, and hey, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Don't worry. Have a good one. Peace out. I'd like to love you every day.